ladies, welcome back to my little pink casa. I'm Rosenda and I'm so glad you're here. Today I have a braces update, kind of a random chat with me video, I guess you can say. I've been doing a lot of my fall inspired videos for you on this channel, and I've been wanting to update you on my braces situation. And so today I had my last treatment done and actually had the lower braces put on. So I'm talking a little funny, and I do apologize if I do sound like I'm speaking weird. So a lot of you that are watching this video for the first time, welcome to my channel. In case you have come here because of wearing adult braces, or you want to find out more about adult braces or braces in general. And those of you that already are subscribed to me, you understand. I wanted to include this braces journey in a regular part of my videos. It's not like everyday video, it's just kind of an update video. So every now and then I will talk braces. And I also thought it would be fun because I've been wanting to do a video where I show kind of my braces routine and what I'm doing differently now with hygiene. You can look forward to that video coming up because I think it's a very good video, and I'm going to show you a lot of things and a lot of hacks of things I've learned along the way in this couple of months that have really helped me deal with adult braces. In my first braces video, I explained everything up to the point of getting the top braces put on. And so now that I have my full mouth on with braces, I wanted to give you an update on the process between the last time I filmed my video and what has happened since then. So I went back to my dentist and I had my cleanings done. So they cleaned my mouth 4 different times in 4 different quadrants because of the anesthesia. I don't do well with that. As you know, I've talked about that before in my first video. During those sessions, I was also getting my teeth filled. So any cavities that were in those quadrants, I was getting my cavities filled. And that was working out really good because then the hygienist would clean my teeth and then the dentist would come in and fill the cavities. So I was just trying to get my teeth, all my general dentistry done along before I got the bottom braces on. And at the same time, I would have to go to my orthodontist in the morning and have them pull the wire off of the top braces. And then I would drive down to my dentist a little bit later during the day and have my appointment with her and my hygienist. After that, I would drive back to my orthodontist a few hours later, and then they would put my wire back on. And we did that every week, every week. So it was kind of a nuisance. It was just something that had to get done, and that was the only way that we could work around it because I already had my brackets on. I didn't want to prolong my braces treatment and in any of that form. So I was so thankful because my orthodontist is so good. He worked along with my general dentist, and they were able to work it all out so beautifully and smoothly for me. One of those times that I actually got my teeth cleaned and I was supposed to get my fillings in, my dentist called in sick because her baby was sick. So I didn't get to get my fillings done that day. So we had to reschedule my fillings. I had the teeth cleaned, but I was so disappointed because that was going to be my last cleaning, and I would have been done with the whole process, and I could have gone to the ortho the next week and had the lower braces put on. However, that postponed everything for another 2 weeks. So the next week I rescheduled and I went in just to get the cavities done. And then my ortho had to reschedule me for a week later, and which is today. And then we put the lower braces on. Now I have a lot of crowding and my teeth are very crooked on the bottom. And I'm gonna be honest and real here because I've gone my whole life like this, and I've always wanted to do something about it, and now I am. So those of you that are kind of dealing self-consciously about all this too, I know what it's like to feel like you have the worst teeth in the world. That's just how I always felt, and I know how it can really mess you up and make you feel like you're not as pretty as you think you are, because our smile is everything. And growing up, I learned ways to stand, to sit. Even when I did modeling and acting, I learned different ways to work the camera, the angles and stuff, so that when I smiled or talked, that I wouldn't, you wouldn't see my teeth as bad, I guess you could say, or you know, it wouldn't look as bad. I went through my whole life trying to do this, and it was really hard. I mean, it's silly if you think about it, but I know a lot of us have these kind of insecurities and things, and I finally got to a point where I really didn't think about it anymore, and I just kind of lived with it. And especially after I got into my 40s, I really didn't care. I just kind of like, something happened, I'm like, I don't care what people think or what I look like. And I think that just kind of comes along with wisdom of getting older. I mentioned before my first video about my braces that I'm 45 right now. So I literally just had my birthday in August, which was a week before I had the first braces put on when I turned, a week before I turned 45. So we are 2 months later into my treatment, and finally I have braces on all my teeth. All my cleanings, all of my cavities are filled, everything's good. All I have to do next year, because I'm pushing it out into next year, I'm going to do my oral surgery, which would be taking my wisdom teeth out. But that will be done next year because I cannot handle anymore. So that's the story. If you want to know more about it, go back and I'll link my video here of my braces first video, and you can watch that. So how am I dealing with it right now? Okay, this is the difference. The first time I had the top braces put on only, I felt a lot of pressure, and I felt my teeth getting really, like if they were gonna fall out, they started to feel real loose. And even in the first day I felt that. And I also had some sort of discomfort and pain, especially when I bit down into food. I'm not feeling that with my lower braces right now. I don't feel anything. I feel pressure just a little bit, but I haven't bitten down on really anything yet. I haven't eaten. My ortho appointment was at 9:20. I made sure I ate breakfast before. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel after, and so I wanted to make sure I had some food for the day. I'm home, and I actually had a little bit of cup of coffee, and the heat was fine. Nothing happened. I feel great, and I haven't been hungry, so I actually don't feel tired. I don't feel exhausted like I did with the first time, and I'm not feeling much pain, so that's really good. The only thing that I'm finding, because they had to add bite blocks on the top of my teeth up here, so that when I bite down, my bite is even with my back molars. As I'm talking, it is hard to talk. When I had the top braces put on, it was hard to talk too. So I was having some problems with my speech, and that kind of got better. I'm finding now that as I talk, because of the bite blocks and the way that my bite has to get in alignment with everything else and my jaw, and when I'm talking, my lips, like I feel like everything's crooked, and it's kind of embarrassing because I'm realizing that now. But you know, I think that'll get better as the days go on, and as I talk better, I'm gonna get used to it, so no big deal. And what I'm excited about is that I will be able to floss my teeth easily. I'll be able to clean them easier. I'll be able to keep my hygiene up better, be healthier overall. That's what I'm so happy about. And to be able to see the progress every day on this journey, every week, and then you'll see it too, because as I make videos, you'll be seeing my progress too. So I am excited to smile. I always was self-conscious about my smile before, but I'm excited. And even with my braces, and even if I have lipstick on them, I'm gonna smile. I don't really care. I'm just going to be happy and know that this is part of something that I feel blessed that God has put an opportunity for me, and He's opened the door for me, and we've had the finances to pay for it, and I'm just very thankful about how it's all progressing. So if any of you are going through this too, or if you have any questions, you know, let me know. I too had questions when I was going to do this, and that's why I kind of put it off. I just kept putting all this off. Like, I just felt like, you know, I can go through my whole life looking and feeling this way, but it wasn't until I realized that this was affecting my health and my well-being and the future of my teeth too, because I want to be able to have my teeth when I'm older and be able to have healthy teeth. So thank you for watching my video today. I look forward to seeing you in another video coming up. I do have my fall 10 item wardrobe and some other videos that you're gonna love, and I will see you again in my next video.